Hi dear students, here the question is prove that cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus x is cos square x minus pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. See here first cos square x can be written as first we write LHS cos square x plus cos square of x plus pi by 3 plus cos square of x minus pi by 3. We know that cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So which is equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 plus cos square x plus pi by 3. 1 plus cos 2 into x plus pi by 3 divided by 2 plus 1 plus cos of 2 times of x minus pi by 3 by 2. Okay dear students, cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Cos square x plus pi by 3 is 1 plus cos 2 into x plus pi by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2 into x minus pi by 3 by 2. So now simplifying 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 plus 1 plus cos of 2x plus 2 pi by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3 divided by 2. So later here 1 by 2 take out common from every term. 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 3 plus cos 2x plus cos 2x plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3. So which is equal to 1 by 2, 3 plus cos 2x. Here you observe that cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So we can write it as, so 2 cos a cos b plus 2 cos a means cos 2x, b means cos 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means the value of 2 pi by 3 is cos 120. So 1 by 2, 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 into cos 2x. Cos 2 pi by 3 can be written as cos of pi minus pi by 3. Am I right? So which is equal to 1 by 2, 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 into cos 2x. Cos of pi minus pi by 3 is cos pi by 3. That also minus. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees now. So which is equal to 1 by 2 plus into 3 plus cos 2x minus into plus is minus 2 into cos 2x. Cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x minus cos 2x. So plus cos 2x minus cos 2x get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 3. So which is equal to 3 by 2. So which is required RHS, dear students. hence proved the result. I hope you understand, students. For more videos, please do subscribe to Maths with Exam Side Mathematics by Pani, as well Maths with Panindra also. Thank you all.